everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for my 10 for 10 project. What I do, I have 10 products. I use them 10 times and then I switch them out. So we've got some switching to do today. One of the products is in my purse, and when I get to it, I'll tell you about it. After I got all set up, I'm like, I'm not going to go and get it out of my purse. You guys, it's a lipstick. Okay, let's get started. First on my list was the Huda New Nudes palette. And in case you haven't seen it, there's what mine is looking like. I did use it 10 times. So this one can leave this project. So let me mark it out. Next was this Smashbox Always Sharp eyeliner in Penny Lane. I used this only 5 times, and that's because, oh, it's got a lot more in there. I couldn't get it to roll up anymore. It's broken. It wouldn't roll up anymore, and it wouldn't really mark. So I'm going to screw that lid on. I am going to declutter that. It's not really working. So it's going bye-bye. I will replace it. Next, the Tatcha Skin Mist. I left that in the project. I had hit the 10 uses last time, but I wanted to use it up. I've gotten all I can get out of it, and I used it a total of 15 times. But that is empty. That can go in my empties, and we will mark that out. Next, this Lancome Single. I think it was supposed to be a blush. I got it in a subscription box. That is not a blush color I can wear. It would be an eyeshadow color, and I'm not reaching for it. It's a beautiful shade. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Ignore my hand. I have a bruise on it that I don't know where that came from. It is a beautiful shade. Looking at it, I was going to declutter it. Oh, I was going to declutter it. I'm going to take it out of my 10 for 10. That's for sure. It's a beautiful shade. I'm going to hang on to it. God, I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm going to hang on to it. It's a beautiful shade, but I'm going to take it out of my 10 for 10. I only wore it one time. Next, the Ciate Color Flip lipstick in Infamous. I like this. I used it 10 times, and so we will put that back in with my other stuff. Kylie lipstick. That was another one I had. It's in my purse, but I did use it 10 times. I just don't have it to show you right now. And then this Lorac gloss. This color is in Barista. I did use it 10 times. I made myself use it like around the house. As I'm cleaning, I go around and I go in my room and just put some on and go. It's a little light, it's lighter than my lip color to wear on its own. So it's something that I put over other lipsticks. But I did use it 10 times. Next, staying in my project is my ColourPop Blue Mascara. I have worn this twice. I'm keeping it in. I'm going to keep it in until I hit 10 uses. Then I have this Hourglass blush in Vivid Flush. This one I introduced last time. I have used it 7 times. I still have a couple more uses, and then I will move it out. And then my Milani lip liner in Bordeaux, I used 7 times. So it's still in my project. So it's time to add some new items. So I picked out some things that I just haven't been reaching for, haven't been using. I'm just going to see if I'm going to use them. This is a great way to decide if I want to declutter something. First thing is an eyeshadow palette. I know I'm not going to declutter, but I just am not using it. I need to make myself use it. It's a Kat Von D. It is the Divine eyeshadow palette. And there are the shades. So be on the lookout. I am going to be using this. I'm going to use it. I love this palette. It's not one I reach for ever. So I've got to use it. Next, my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. I don't use these. I need to use them. See if I'm going to use them. I'm going to plan to mix this in with my foundation and use it that way. So we'll see. I'm going to use that 10 times. Next is a blush. My little Essence Satin Blush. I think this is still available. I'm not sure. My color is Satin Coral. But it's a nice blush. And I need to use it more. So I'm going to use it 10 times. Next is another ColourPop shadow. It's in Coconuts. Yeah, it's blue. It'll go good with that Divine palette. I'm going to make myself use it 10 times. And then I have 3 lip products that I just am not reaching for, and they need to be used. The first one is a Jeffree Star lipstick in X Supermodel. And here we go. I'm going to swatch it for you. It's pink. I don't think it's one I would use on its own, but I would use it and mix it with other colors. So, X Supermodel. Next is, who makes this? A L'Oreal Coloris Shine lipstick in Varnished Rosewood. It's more of a sheerer. You have to build it up. This is me after I've built it up. It's a sheerer lip, but that's pretty. I'm going to use that one. And then for a gloss, I chose my ColourPop So Juicy. And does this one have a color? Do they have colors? I don't think this has a color on it. Roundabout. There we go. Oh, upside down. This one is in Roundabout. So let me squeeze some of that on me. There we go. That's pretty. That's a nice neutral color that I would wear on its own. So that's it. That is what I'm adding to my 10 for 10 and what is leaving my 10 for 10. And I have to say, I am enjoying this one a whole lot. I'm making sure I'm using my products. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Again, thanks for watching.